Hello guys, myself JASWIN. I am from Computer Science Designing first year. My startup company is Multi-Gear Dynamics. Product present name is Security Cameras and product proposed name is Guardian Zone Cam, and mention some of the requirements and feelings about the products as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. The security camera should be more advanced and can be accessed by owner from anywhere. It should be able to cover more areas and can be compatible with any places, even cars, and connective with any devices. The security camera should contain infrared cameras and more advanced sensors that can detect objects. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of the customers, many new features are added to product. Existing product name is security cameras and futuristic product name is Guardian Zone Cam. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here: high resolution imaging sensor and infrared LEDs for night vision, microphones for audio recording, speakers for two-way communication, motors and control circuits for camera movement, optical and digital zoom capabilities. Here is my prototype of the camera. Here is the ultrasonic speakers, 4K recording camera, thermal sensors, night vision sensors, and connective antenna. Thank you.